replaced everything.
How do you rotate?
And then the second one we did, there wasn't anything.
There wasn't anything. Yeah, no. I personally would take everything out of it. Yeah.
Oh, figured it out, guys. I can't.
Got scratches and scuffs
Why
and bangs
does
and
it-
dings.
Oh,
Bangs and
I
bangs.
just did something. What is that?
Do you even know what you're doing?
I don't. Okay. It's a new
Amateur.
thingy.
It's a new thingy. What do you do with the thing?
I'm trying to rest it on my stomach, but the camera's that. Okay.
Well, just spin it.
What you? Yeah.
Is it recording this whole?
It's been.
This is a close up. Cameraman Rick in the house. I didn't drop the ball, and I forgot to shoot an intro for the video you're about to watch. So this is the intro, but the problem is it's already torn apart. Yeah, we're gonna do the intro now. Just pretend, use your imagination that this is completed and not taken apart, and that there's not a cage over there. This is ROCKSANN. It's getting a bunch of goodies to it, okay? I'm not sure. 2010. Well, it's got the 3.8 in it. The owner's already got a bunch of stuff done to it. It's got some King coilovers on it, the anti-rocks. He brought it to us, wanting to get some upgrades, just drizzled on it, so we can work our magic. So what you're about to witness is the cage getting built, that one right there. But this is gonna be the first video of many, because it's getting a heart transplant, it's getting a leg transplant, it's getting the works. Robert would normally be talking to you guys right now, but he's kind of got his hands full, so I didn't want to bother him. So you get me. So yeah, anyways, enjoy. Grant, what's happening? Talk to me, baby. Talk to me. Right now, this Jeep is getting ready for a roll cage from Genright.
Ooh.
And it's also gonna get a B-pillar chop.
Ooh, say it slower.
This is a potential future super build.
Ooh, nice.
Later on down the road, it's gonna get a new motor.
Ooh, a new motor. Oh, this is the Rob, you said it earlier.
6.6 liter.
6 point. Who makes that?
GM.
Oh, okay. I didn't know they went bigger than 6.2.
Yeah.
Is it performance? Is it like a aftermarket, bored and stroked and deleted and control alt deleted? See, I'm just a good old boy. I like my 5.7s. What? The radio. Wow. We're at the freaking drive-in, bro. IMAX. Beep boop, beep boop, beep. So you're doing a roll cage, huh? Mm-hmm. The Genright. You know my favorite part of this whole thing? ROCKSANN. What's step one?
Take everything off.
Take everything off.
Shave half of it off.
Yeah, my bad. I didn't know you were talking.
Oh, I'm just pointing the camera at him. Just nothing.
I thought you just want to see them beautiful locks.
Yes, Mike, this is a Jeep. You can tell by the way it is. It's also called ROCKSANN.
Don't do that again. Neither one of you, please.
ROCKSANN. Hey, Mike, I heard you're helping Grant with this roll cage.
Sure am. I'm going to point and say, there it is.
You won't even do that much.
Look, I just did it. So there it is.
Mike's the guy that likes nice stuff but doesn't know how to work on any of it. Oh, he heard me? So, where's the roll cage at? I want to see it.
I can't see the
Holy stickers, Batman. It took you all day to do 1.5 minutes of footage. You got it!
Got it.
So you took apart a Jeep and he fitted one piece of pipe.
Hey.
Step 1, tear down, complete. Shake it off. Ching ching. Let's cut to tomorrow. What's up, Grant? I'm like, what is he doing? Step 2 apparently is install this apparatus. Part 2, install everything. I'm kidding. Nice, nice. I'm liking it. Nice and sturdy. Dude, Grant is the man. He's got his headphones in. What do you think he's listening to?
I just wanna party all night long.
No, I don't think it's that. Maybe this.
I can't let you go, baby.
Yeah, that's definitely what he's listening to. Oh snap. It's got the rear pads installed. So it comes with some fancy Allen-headed hardware. But, you know, you take those in and out a bunch of times, the head on them gets worn out, so he's just using these grade 8 bolts for mock-up. And you come down here to the B pillar pads. It's got a bolt that goes into the factory location. That way you know where to drill the rest of your holes. And then, of course, the cage is just going to weld straight to that. Grant's over here working without his safety glasses on.
I had them on. They just weren't covering my eyes.
Sorry.
Narc.
What do those do? Oh, they sandwich the dude up in there.
Pinch it to the
Oh, that goes behind. That's why the hole's in there.
and they send these nice little plastic caps.
Where'd it go?
I don't know. I gave up on it and then it gave up on me.
It's like Operation. Don't touch the sides. So I walk away for 5 minutes and Grant has the cage cut off. I missed it! I'm gonna need you to reenact cutting it off for the video.
She missed all of that.
I missed all of that! Do it again. Go ahead and insert some footage from the Black Widow build. Just pretend what you're watching right now is from this, because it's the same thing.
Don't touch it. It's barely in there. Hold it.
Does he want it like right in his ear?
I don't think so. I think they need to be on the back.
Is it a speaker?
That is a...
Nice.
I don't even know how this mounts.
Oh, you're
in.
missing some pieces.
It's right here.
Oh, I know how it mounts now.
Oh, that's cool. It's got like the connector in the clamp. So you gotta put a bar across for that?
Yeah, trying to plan out the location of it.
Probably somewhere from here to over there. Look at that freaking joint, bro.
Not bad.
It's perfect. Like if you Google perfect, this shows up as like the first image.
You would be the second, Ricky.
Oh, what's up, baby? Give us that. Perfect. Well, Genright, what do you think?
Yeah.
What's next?
Just finished it up, so we're gonna let it cool overnight and take it back out. Just take it out. Clean it up, look over it again, make sure I didn't miss any spots. There is some spots that I can't get to because of where they are, so I'm gonna load those up while it's off the body.
Yeah, you do it when you can flip it over.
The non-essential.
Can't get in there until you pull it out. Can't get on the other side of this bracket here until you pull it out. Grant. It doesn't work as good with Grant as it does Mike. Mike. Grant. What are you painting?
No, the customer wanted an armor light in here, and
Armor light?
it's just like a replacement for your factory carpet that's sort of like a bed line, but it's more sturdy and durable than the carpet.
Oh, that is a
Easier
thick,
to wash up.
that's a thick boy. Yeah, it feels like it's interesting.
And so the front two pieces, they cover quite a bit of the area, but then like the rear pieces, as you can see, it doesn't cover hardly. So the customer is wanting to get this area bed lined.
So another task we've been given. You see this long daddy right here? We've been tasked with mounting, well not me, I'm gonna film Grant making a mount for this to set in here. So he's back there on the computer beep booping away some designs. Ooh, look at you.
Something like that.
Oh, wait, the jack just. Nice. What's your plan of attack over here?
Still trying to think about that, but thinking about just coming off of here with like a flat plate and then gusseting it and having a bolt stick through. That way we can get a wing nut and put on.
Oh, it's time! It's time! Okay.
Look, I-35 with the top down, quit to tell a hater they should get like me. Seen like everybody wanna be the boss, but it costs and these lames ain't like me. Drop a couple bands on the crypto fans, no way go. I ain't gotta tell them what it is. Tell them I'm a grown man, so you'll never fool me with the cap you be selling to the kids. Shorty, we the lords of the land, we wavy. Bad little mama tryna have a baby. In a coupe seat color like gravy. Children of the sun, why these so shady? Boss talk with the wolf pack, I ain't never look back. Got a couple bands and I flip that. I be chillin' with shorty.
What's up? I'm dirty. I've been working today. I don't normally get this dirty. We're finishing the cage. And then it's gonna ship it off to powder coat tomorrow.
What color's it getting done in? Purple?
I think black. I'm pretty sure black.
Satin black?
Satin black. Yeah.
No. Is it getting anything else done to it while it's here?
Tramp stamp and camera mount.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we're still waiting on parts for
We're still waiting on the engine and axles.
engine and axles.
transfer case.
And transfer case.
Yeah.
What transfer case it's getting?
Atlas.
Nice.
Yeah. 6.6 8-speed transmission and an Atlas transfer case with Fusion 14 volt and
Oh.
60.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
You're gonna put this cage to use.
I hope not.
Whoa. Alright.
Alright, give me an outro.
Gosh, you always put me on the spot with these. That's a wrap. We out of here. So no, I'm just gonna put all this on there.
No, see,
He's gonna put it all on. Well, that's it for today, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell so you know when we post new videos. And we'll see you next time.